Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Avalara for e-commerce tax automation, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Avalara for e-commerce tax automation, start by logging into your Avalara account. Navigate to the dashboard to access the main menu. Click on the settings option to begin the configuration process. Under the settings menu, locate the integration section. Select the e-commerce platform you are using from the list provided. Follow the prompts to connect your e-commerce store to Avalara. Ensure you have your account credentials ready for the integration. Next, configure your tax rules by going to the tax settings section. Select the appropriate tax compliance settings for your business. Specify your nexus, which is the states where you have a tax obligation. Avalara offers a feature to automatically detect nexus. Consider using this. Review the product taxability settings to ensure your items are categorized correctly. Adjust tax categories to match the products you sell. Once these settings are in place, proceed to the validation section. This is where you can verify your configuration against specific transaction scenarios. Test a few transactions to ensure tax calculations are correctly applied. Monitor the reports section to keep track of tax collected and remitted. Finally, save your settings and conduct a full evaluation of your integration. With these steps completed, your e-commerce site should now be fully configured for tax automation with Avalara. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.